Now, dear student of class 12, now today I'm going to solve numerical based on integrations. Today we'll discuss, in this video I'll discuss some basic numericals of integrations. Now say how to integrate. After knowing the formulas, now you can apply the integral. Now we can separate the integral this way. I'll do this problem by two different methods. X square dx minus constant, always that you have to write outside the integral, then it will be dx over x plus integration of e to the power x dx minus 1 into dx is dx. Now then I'll apply formula. X squared dx means that you use x to the power n formula. X to the power n formula is x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 minus 2. It's a direct formula. Integration of dx over x is log of mod x. This mod, it represents that the quantity within a integration, or after integration the quantity that you will get the variable is positive, plus integration e to the power x is e to the power x minus integration of dx is x. After the integration, immediate after the integration, that you have to put plus c. Therefore, the final answer will be x cubed by 3 minus 2 log of mod x plus e to the power x minus x plus c. This is the final answer. But after knowing the formula, the same questions directly you can do in this way. X square minus 2 by x, if you are perfect in formula. Without separating the variable, directly we can integrate. Integration of x square will be x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 minus 2 dx over x log x. Integration e to the power x, e to the power x minus integration of 1 dx is 1 into dx is dx, and integration of dx is x plus c. X cubed by 3 minus 2 log x plus c. This is a little bit lengthy method. This is shortcut method. After knowing the formula perfectly, you can apply this way and make a habit to do the integrations by this method, direct method. Now, in this question, there are three functions over here, and all the three functions should be in terms of formula form. Now say, this is 2 to the power x, means this is in terms of e to the power x. 1 by x square, there is no such formula. That means this is not in terms of formula, that you have to convert this function in terms of formula form. This one is in terms of formula form. Now first of all, I'll simplify 2 to the power x minus, and this is I'll use x to the power minus 2, you can use over here, plus 3 e to the power 2x, then dx. Now the derivative of 2 to the power x means we'll use e to the power x formula, and integration of 2 to the power x means you have to use e to the power x formula. Integration of e to the power x is e to the power x log e to the base e minus x to the power minus 2 means we'll use x to the power n. X to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus 3. Now the integration of e to the power 2x is e to the power 2x. I already told you that if some constant is attached with the variable, that you have to divide the integral. E to the power 2x is e to the power 2x, and what is the coefficient of x? 2. So always in integration, you have to divide the integral by the constant plus c. Therefore, the simplified answer, alright, 2 to the power x log 2 to the base e minus x to the power minus 1 over minus 1 plus 3 by 2 e to the power 2x plus c. Now then, this one also I'm going to simplify. 2 to the power x log 2 to the base e minus into minus plus, again I'll use indices, it is 1 by x plus 3 by 2 e to the power 2x plus c. So integration. Now this is a trigonometric form. Sec x within bracket sec x plus tan x. First of all, I'll open this bracket. so that after the multiplication we'll get the function in terms of formula. Sec x into sec x is sec square x plus sec x into tan x is sec x tan x. Now you just see your formulas. I've already given you formula. Integration of sec square x is tan x plus integration of sec x tan x is sec x plus. It's a final answer. Now integration of 1 plus x whole square divided by x square. First of all, you have to simplify, then you have to convert this function in terms of formula form. For that only, I'll use a plus b whole square formula, and the formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab means you will get 2x divided by x square dx. To convert this function in terms of formula, what you have to do is you have to divide the numerator by the denominator. 1 divided by x square means 1 upon x square. You can write x to the power minus 2 plus x square divided by x square is 1 plus 2x divided by x square is 2 by x. Now every function over here, every algebraic function is in terms of formula form. For x to the power minus 2, I'll use formula x to the power n. X to the power n plus 1 divided by plus 1. 1 into dx is dx. 1 into dx is dx. Then the integration of dx will be x. Plus 2 will get dx over x. It is log mod x plus c. Now then, after simplifications, x to the power minus 1 over minus 1 plus x plus 2 log of mod x plus c. Now then, we can write this is equals to minus 1 by x plus 2 log of mod x plus c. Therefore, I'll write first positive quantities, x plus 2 log of mod x minus 1 by x plus c. But if you leave your answer like this, you will get full marks. Now this question e to the power 5 log x minus e to the power 3 log x. In these questions that you have to use the property of logarithm. First of all, I'll use this property. Log m to the power n means n log n. The given question is in terms of this form, n log n. 5 log x, 3 log x. This is in terms of n log n form. And one more very important property of logarithm, that is e to the power log x is x. These two properties that you have to remember for this question from logarithm. E to the power log x is x. Now, e to the power 5 log x means I'll write e to the power 5 log x means I'll use this property. Now, the given question is in terms of this form n log m. 5 log x means I'll write log of x to the power 5 minus e to the power log x cubed whole dx. Now I'll use second property of logarithm. E to the power log x is x. If it is x square, then you have to write x square. Then e to the power log x to the power 5 means I'll write x to the power 5 minus e to the power log x cube is x cube. After using the property, now it is very simple question. Now it becomes very simple. X to the power 5 means x to the power n formula. 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 minus x cube means x to the power 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 plus c. Therefore, the final answer will be x to the power 6 divided by 6 minus x to the power 4 divided by 4 plus c. That's the final answer. Or you can take LCM over here, then common. But I'll leave like this. Now this question is similar to the previous one. The same thing I'm going to apply over here. E to the power 3 log x means we can write e to the power log x cubed minus e to the power log x is x divided by e to the power 2 log x is log x square minus 1 dx. Now then, e to the power log x cube is x cubed minus x over x square minus 1 dx. Now then, from this numerator, x is common. If I take x common, then what remains inside the bracket? It will be x square minus 1 over x square minus 1. These two quantities get cancelled. Now we have x dx. Now in this case, the degree of x is 1. So we can use x to the power n formula, therefore, or x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. The final answer will be x square by 2 plus c. Dear student of class 12, my very good suggestions to you all. First of all, learn all the formulas and practice whatever I did today. Practice all the numericals so that now from next video that you will understand everything about the integral calculus. And this much for today. Thank you very much.